Take a look what I found on AliExpress. A pretty cool and amazing module that have everything. And it's called M5StickC PLUS2 with LCD screen, 1.14 inch. Also it have 3 buttons. It have a microphone, an infrared sensor, a buzzer, a magnet, a G sensor, a built-in rechargeable battery. Wow! This thing have everything. But you will be surprised. Why? Because this thing cost almost over $40. And why it's so expensive? We're gonna find out very soon. But of course I have ordered it and I got it. And yes, finally! Together with bubbles. Oh, I'm gonna save some for later. Let's take a look at this expensive $40+ US. Looking good. It's not big. Oh. Come on, buddy. Ooh. Nothing more? This is looking beautiful. Ah, a sticker. Oh, I need to be careful with this. I'm gonna use my lighter so I can melt the adhesive and to remove very easily. Take a look at. Ah, come on, buddy, come on. Ooh, I need to clean now. I hate stickers, but I love this sticker where it says everything about the module. And let's see what it says in description while you are watching. In 360 ESP32 Pico and Shy, built-in 6-axis IMU sensor, infrared transmitter, microphone, real-time clock, buttons, LCD, 1.14 inches, built-in lithium polymer battery, 200 mAh, expandable socket, built-in passive buzzer, wearable and wall-mounted. Okay, MicroPython, Arduino, Net Nano framework, one M5StickC PLUS2. And what it says else? Material plastic, product size 48 by 25 by 13 millimeters, product weight 17 grams, battery capacity 200 milliamperes, 3.7 volts. We said that. Oh, and what it says? It comes with pre-programmed examples, which is nice. I like very much this sticker where is described everything about the module. Let me start with the pin header, where you can use 5 volts input and output. Also we have ground, 3 GPIO pins. Also we have 3 programmable buttons from this side, from the other side, and from on the top. This connector is HY2 4-pin. We have the Type-C connector for charging and for interface with the computer, so you can insert some new code examples. But I need to mention one more time, there is already pre-programmed code example in this thing. We're gonna see very soon. So I asked Mr. Google why this thing is so expensive, and he replied because it's the high hardware density despite its extremely compact size, and it packs everything in this small thing. It's a pre-assembled, unlike buying a generic raw ESP32 chip and soldering sensor and screens together. This thing have everything in one place, and it's a plug and play. Beautiful. Also, for those who are seeing this thing for the first time, I need to mention that the PS-RAM is 2 megabytes, flash is 8 megabyte flash, power input 5 volts 500 milliamperes, 1 port Type-C, LCD screen which is 135 by 240 pixels, colorful TFT LCD screen, and the driver is ST7789 version 2. It have a 3 customizable buttons, green LED. Also it have a buzzer, a microphone, a real-time clock, battery, antenna, pin port with couple of GPIO pins that can be used. And the material of this thing is PC plastic, it says. Okay, time for turning on. And to turn on you need to press on this button where it says M5 with holding. Come on, is it on? Oh, I can feel it now. Releasing, nothing happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why it's not turning on? Come on, buddy. Is it this one? No, it's M5 button. Maybe it's broken. Maybe this one? Holding the side button. Oh, it's the side button. Whoa! And here it is, the first code example that is already pre-programmed. So the first code example is using a 6-axis inertial measurement unit, and it's an electronic sensor that tracks the physical movement and orientation of the object in 3D space. Alright, and it pairs 3-axis accelerometer and 3-axis gyroscope to measure both linear acceleration and angular velocity, which is nice. So you can see here at the bottom left side you can see that they are changing the numbers. Alright, and with second press on the M5 button on the top, by the way, this thing on this button on the side right now is for rebooting, but if you want to power off you need to hold this button or this one. Yes, power on in 2, 3. I'm gonna rebooting. So this button is for powering on and off, and also for resetting. And this is the main button for cycling through the options. And take a look at the second one. We have the real-time clock. You can connect with your PC and set the time, or maybe with... Oh, what is this? And yes, it have a microphone, and this is a beautiful graphic equalizer, like a meter, and it's responding on my voice. Beautiful. And to mention, yes, it have a magnet. Oh, this is not magnetic. Take a look. It sticks on metal surface. From behind we have a magnet. Alright. But take a look at this code example with graphic equalizer. I love it. I need to share my Ko-fi page where you can support my channel and support my work, and my latest Ko-fi supporters are Carmelo Cortez, which is monthly supporter. Thank you, sir, for supporting my channel. David from Sunny Penzance. He is a great guy. He's sending me every month 3 coffees. Thank you, David, very much. Cyber Whiskey, Matt S, Nick, JJG. Here it is, the supporter. King Green. Thank you, sir, for supporting my channel. Dave Evans, and a lot of more. Thank you to all of you for your support with a coffee. Thank you. You're gonna say 40 bucks for this thing. Yes, I paid 40 bucks for this thing just to see it, what it's capable of, and I'm gonna make some new code projects and I'm gonna upload new videos. But in today's video is just a review of this M5 stack, and I like it. Also, the plastic is very smooth, and with pressing the button we're gonna go to the next program and take a look. Right now it says infrared sand. And I can't believe it. When I choose the infrared send option, take a look, it activates my sound system. Can you hear it? And it's sending some random infrared signals everywhere, and the infrared LED is right here, and it changed again to CD now, to compact disc. Wow, this is like a tiny hacking tool that you can buy legally. Okay, with next press of the button we have a Wi-Fi scan. Yes, it scans the Wi-Fi networks around you so you can monitor them. With the next press we have BLE disconnect, name M59827, so I can connect with my phone on this thing. Yes, I found it on my Bluetooth. Here it is, M5. An app is need to use pair. I'm connected or not? Oh, I'm connected and it's sending some signals. So I figure out that there is no smartphone app, but there is a PC software where you can install it and try some new code examples for this M5 stack module. And so far I am amazed, and also I'm gonna make a new video in couple of days maybe with some new code examples and what we can do using this beautiful module. And I like it because it's portable, it have built-in battery, it have couple of sensors, it have a TFT screen, buttons, buzzer, it have a infrared, everything, almost everything. And this is like a gadget that is already all in one. You don't need to solder anything, you don't need to add new sensors, everything is inside this yellow thing. Okay, that was all for today's video review of this M5 stack module that I got from AliExpress, and it's not cheap. As I told you, cost around $40 and the link will be in description below so you can check it. Thank you for watching. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! A tiny one, but good one.